Hello. We're riding in the brown. We want Mommy and Daddy keep getting at us to be here. You didn't let me say a word. Okay, what do you want to say? Well, Mama and Daddy just keep yelling at us. Who said that? Say something else. And we're going to Florida. And I got a toy with me. It's Optimus from the Transformer movie. He got his shield patch on. So yeah. And here's Hunter, the annoying doggy. And that's you, Daddy. He just kissed you. And I touched your nosy. Hello. Hello. And then lucky my handy. I'm lucky my